China is the leading country in frog farming and the largest consumer of frog meat in the world. China consumes approximately 1,500,000 tons of frog meat each year, while globally, this number is estimated to reach 2 million tons annually, indicating the rapid development of the frog farming industry in China and worldwide. The production and consumption of frog meat significantly contribute to China's economy and culinary culture. Let's explore how farms raise millions of frogs to meet this ever-growing market demand. Mating occurs in clean water tanks that simulate a natural environment. After mating, the female frog lays eggs, and the male frog fertilizes them. Frog eggs are typically incubated in shallow water tanks where the temperature is kept stable. Selling frog eggs is also a way for farms to increase their income while waiting for the frog batches to mature for harvest. When the eggs hatch, tadpoles emerge and begin their development stage. Tadpoles require a special diet to grow rapidly. This stage lasts for several weeks. After the tadpoles transform into juvenile frogs, they are transferred to larger ponds to continue their nurturing and development into adult frogs. Adult frogs represent a critical stage in the frog farming process, requiring special care and an ideal living environment. Adult frogs require a clean and stable living environment. The water in the breeding ponds must be kept clean and potable for humans to ensure that the frogs do not get infected and grow healthily. Adult frogs are very voracious and may exhibit cannibalistic behavior, especially when food is scarce or the rearing conditions are inadequate. Adult frogs are fed 2-3 times a day. Their diet includes insects, worms, and other protein-rich foods. Ensure an adequate supply of food to prevent hunger in frogs, but also avoid overfeeding to prevent waste and water pollution. Typically, the amount of food should be around 3 to 5% of the frog's body weight per day. Regularly clean the breeding ponds and equipment to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. The weight of an adult frog can vary depending on the species, sex, and diet. However, in general, adult frogs can weigh between 0.45 kilograms and 2.8 kilograms. Frogs are harvested by using nets to catch them from the ponds or breeding tanks. The The large and healthy frogs are sorted into separate bags, and their price is higher than that of other frogs. After being harvested, the frogs are thoroughly washed to remove mud and impurities. The frogs are cleaned and the unusable parts, such as the skin and internal organs, are removed. Packaging frog meat is a crucial stage in the production of high-quality frog meat. With the development of consumption markets in China and internationally, the frog farming industry is becoming increasingly important, contributing to the economy and providing a nutritious food source for consumers. Each package of frog meat is labeled with complete product information, including the production date, expiration date, and usage instructions. In China, frogs are considered a delicious and nutritious delicacy, and they are prepared into many enticing dishes. The variety in preparation methods and the unique flavor of frog meat make it a favorite dish for many people. Crispy fried frog. Frog meat is marinated with spices, coated in batter and deep fried until golden and crispy. This dish is a favorite in China. Frog meat dishes in China are not only delicious, but also diverse and abundant, appealing to all social classes. Stir-fried frog with lemongrass and chili. This dish boasts a rich flavor with the fragrant aroma of lemongrass, the spicy heat of chili, and the natural sweetness of frog meat. Thank you for watching the video on the process of raising millions of frogs and the delicious frog meat dishes in China. We hope you have gained interesting and useful information about the frog farming industry and the rich culinary culture of China. Sika deer farming is a significant industry in China, with millions of deer raised annually for their valuable antlers and meat. In China alone, the consumption of deer antlers has skyrocketed, driven by their prized status in traditional medicine. China consumes over 60% of the world's deer antlers, with an estimated annual usage of around 400 tons. These antlers are primarily used in traditional Chinese medicine, believed to have numerous health benefits. Worldwide, the demand for deer antlers exceeds 600 tons per year, with significant markets in South Korea, Japan, and Russia. The gestation period for Sika deer is approximately 7 months. During this time, pregnant does receive special care. Fawns are usually born in secluded areas within the enclosure, providing them with a safe and quiet environment. Fawns have several unique characteristics and behaviors that make them both fascinating and challenging to care for. While fawns are naturally shy, Gradual socialization is important to help them adapt to the presence of humans and other deer. Raising adult Sika deer is a complex process that involves ensuring optimal conditions for growth and health. Common forages include clover, alfalfa, and a variety of grasses. These plants are rich in fiber and essential vitamins, promoting healthy digestion and metabolic functions. To enhance antler growth and ensure the highest quality, deer intended for antler production receive a diet supplemented with concentrated feeds. These include grains such as corn, barley, and oats, which are high in carbohydrates and proteins. These nutrients are crucial for the rapid growth and development of antlers. Learning how to throw darts is also a skill that needs to be mastered here, as it is not something that everyone can easily do. This is how the Chinese vaccinate their deer. He seems to be very proficient in this skill. The antler harvesting season typically occurs in late spring to early summer when the antlers have reached their full size but are still in the velvet stage. Deer will be anesthetized before taking deer antlers. This prevents any sudden movements that could cause injury to the deer or handlers. After the antlers are removed, the deer's wounds are treated with antiseptics to prevent infection. Harvesting antlers is a precise and humane process that prioritizes the well-being of the deer while producing a valuable product. Caps help to stop bleeding from the antler removal site. When antlers are cut, they can bleed profusely, and the cap acts as a pressure bandage to control and reduce bleeding. Once the velvet antlers are harvested, they undergo several processing steps to ensure they are ready for market and maintain their medicinal properties. The cleaned antlers are then dried using specialized drying equipment. This equipment controls the temperature and humidity to ensure that the antlers dry evenly without losing their nutritional value. Velvet antlers have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in East Asia, where they are believed to offer a range of health benefits. The growth factors in the antlers are believed to support muscle growth and repair. The compounds found in velvet antlers are believed to have anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce pain and swelling in conditions such as arthritis. Deer genital organs are highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine. They are believed to possess properties that enhance sexual health and vitality. The annual consumption of deer meat in China is estimated to be around 30,000 tons. Globally, the consumption of deer meat is approximately 100,000 tons per year. Deer meat is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which are important for overall health and well-being. Deer meat is a versatile ingredient in Chinese cuisine, and it is used to prepare a variety of traditional dishes, often found in high-end restaurants and gourmet eateries. Another traditional dish is deer meat soup, often prepared with medicinal herbs. The meat is simmered for hours with ingredients like goji berries, ginseng, and jujubes, creating a nutritious and restorative broth. The comprehensive process of raising, harvesting, and processing Sika deer in China not only meets the growing demand for high-quality antlers but also for premium meat. For more detailed insights into the fascinating world of deer farming, make sure to watch our next videos here.